Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, today we're going to be making some easy 10-minute sushi. I hope you all enjoy this video. So we're going to start by putting some prawns or some shrimp into a pan and letting that defrost a little bit over the heat. Now we're just going to stir that around a little bit to make sure that they're all defrosted. And now we add in some butter. You can use fresh if you would like, that would make it a lot easier, but I could only buy it frozen, so I just used frozen. After the butter, we're going to do a little bit of salt, as much as you like, and mix that in. And take off the heat and leave it to cook. Now we're going to cut up our cucumber into like small enough pieces to go in the sushi and set that aside as well. Take your cooled prawns and put them beside the cucumber or just somewhere. You probably don't need to take it off the plate, you can just put it somewhere where you can get it when you're making your sushi. Now we're going to heat up some rice and take out some sort of plastic wrap. This is in place of a bamboo mat, but I don't have one of those and I know this is easier, so I thought I would share this with you guys. This works as well, except I really struggled with this plastic wrap, so like the video for my struggles. Now we're going to take out some sushi paper. And you want to put that textured side up and smooth side down. Next, put a tiny bit of warm water on the corners of the one side of the sushi paper, just so that the roll will stick when you roll it up. Now spoon on your rice and smooth it out till it's quite flat. As you can see, the steam is coming up. You don't want your rice to be boiling hot, but you also don't want it to be cold. You want it to be kind of warm. And done. Now we're going to add in our filling. So you can do whatever you want for this. You can add tuna, you can add a different type of fish, you can add meat, it doesn't matter, or different vegetables like avocado or carrot or something like that, so anything you want. After we've added the vegetable, now we're going to add our prawns. I don't normally like mayonnaise, but I think it actually tastes pretty good in sushi, so I always add it, but again, this is optional, and I squeezed quite a lot because I was looking through my camera, so I didn't realise that it was going everywhere. Now for some salt again, because the rice isn't salted, so I just added it to the rice. Now for the rolling part. You want to obviously clean up any rice that you spilled, and then you just want to put your hands under the plastic wrap and fold over the sushi paper over the fillings and just press it in to tuck it in at the edges. And again, you just want to keep rolling like this. Make sure you tuck it in and roll it really tight, and then you want to roll the plastic wrap around it and twist the ends and stick them to the ends and stuff so the filling doesn't fall out. I made 2 of these, but you can make however many you want. And now they're done. Just put them in the fridge to chill for a little bit. Now we're going to cut them. They need to be pretty cold when you cut them because they need to be set and not still warm, otherwise the sushi paper will just fall apart and it won't work properly. So anyway, now we're going to unroll these and cut them into little tiny sushi pieces. One of my cucumbers fell out, so I decided to take that out, but it's okay. I put like 4 in that one, so. I always cut off the end before I do the sushi, so if you would like to do that, it just makes like a whole, you know, clean pieces, and I always like to do that. Chop your sushi up into little pieces. These turned out really yummy, and give them a try. If you want, put some soy sauce with them or some pickled ginger, and that's just a really yummy lunch or dinner or easy quick snack, you know. Anyways, see you next time. Bye!